Good morning, Samantha with Empower Performance Therapy. It's Thursday. Your training secret, I'm gonna talk a little bit about how to make your body happy after a crash. I spent last night with some really amazing athletes who are constantly falling, taking throws, and landing really hard. When that happens, our muscles tend to spasm, and that can lead to either a subluxed joint where the spine kind of rotates and mechanically gets stuck in a undesirable position, or it leaves our muscles nice and tight with lots of knots in them, pulling, torquing on our body, and just putting us in, again, very non-efficient, very pain-inducing positions that are going to alter our movements and could lead to some serious injuries. And so 3 things real quick after a hard fall, a crash on the bike. First, we want to start with the foam roller. We want to roll the back out, roll the spine out. So start with it right underneath your hips and just relax over the back and roll. Kind of use the crab arms and crab legs to support yourself so you can relax your back over the back of the roller. And so I like to go about 10 passes every time I use the roller. Do what works for you. Next, we want to mobilize the lumbar spine. So on your back, we're gonna do a little bit of a windshield wiper. So bring the heels in really close and just take the knees to the side. Bring them up if you need to for a little bit more, or bring them down. Just find that really nice, delicious space and rotate back and forth. That's to mobilize the lumbar spine. Then land on one side. We're gonna go for the upper back or the thoracic spine. So big alligator arms together, relax the head down. Keep the knees bent up towards the chest. I'm about 90-90 here. And then with the knees stabilized, just open up all the way. And then close those alligator arms back. So, no prescribed number there again. Just find that delicious space, find what feels good. And so, have a totally rad week. Keep training empowered.